Alright guys, I'm on this Easter freebie here, 8:09. We're going to go live. We are live 8:09 p.m. and 8:09 p.m. We're going to grab this list here. So I see something here. Alright, we will drop this in. 88 entries, so 8 under 100. We're going to use 2 dice, 5 or higher. 8's good. Here we go. We're going to go 8 times. Good luck. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times. Dice is 8. Next click. And 8. James Power, spot number 1. You are a winner of 1. And let's see here. What else does it say? So I was looking for here. Alright, top 3 win, and then the 22nd spot. Okay. So the top 3, James, Josh, and Max, and then the 22nd spot is Scott Carey. He's your other winner. So 22nd spot, Scott Carey, and then your top 3 of James Power, Josh Brandon, Max Hansen. You guys are the winner. We are done. 8:11. We'll go back and we'll type done here. We are done. Thank you guys for doing that freebie. It was pretty cool. 8:11, 8:11, and then this Raz was actually done at 8:10 about a minute ago when I rolled the final roll.